In this quick video, I'll show you how to link your WhatsApp account on two phones without using a QR code. First, open WhatsApp on the phone where your account is currently active. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Link Devices. Next, tap Link a Device and enter your phone's password, fingerprint, or PIN if prompted. You'll now see the QR code scanner, but since we're not using a QR code, tap Link with phone number instead at the bottom. It will now ask for a code, which you'll get from the second phone, the one where you want to link your WhatsApp. So, on your second phone, open Google Chrome and go to web.whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, tap the three dots in Chrome and check Desktop Site to switch to Desktop View. You'll now see a QR code on the screen. Ignore that and zoom in. At the bottom, you'll find an option that says Login with phone number. Tap it. Next, select your country and enter the phone number of the WhatsApp account you want to link. After entering the number, tap Next, and a code will appear on the screen. Now go back to your first phone, where your WhatsApp is active, and enter this code. Once you do that, your WhatsApp will automatically log in on the second device, and your chats will start syncing. For example, if you send a message like, "How are you?" from your first phone, it'll instantly appear on your second phone as well. And that's it. You've successfully linked your WhatsApp on two phones without using a QR code. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.